you talking about? I'm tired. I do want to go, but I can't. I'm tired. I want to go.
You gotta find your prey in its natural habitat like a fucking gazelle.
Check it out. Hey, do it. Okay. Check it out.
Where your buzz? Your buzz at?
I just...
Hey yo man, it's your boy VibeWitDeLo and we back with another video. Today man, I know y'all been waiting. It's banger time. It's banger time. Today, we gonna be doing a public prank. And I know y'all wondering what public prank we doing.
Wait a minute.
Today, man, we're gonna be doing a fake sneezing on people prank in public. So right now, COVID going around, it's starting to make a little comeback. So some people might be offended, but we doing it anyway. I gotta get this banger for y'all. So I'm gonna see y'all when we get to the store, man. So we done pulled up to the first location. We had Target with it.
Yes, please.
So finna go in there, find some victims.
It don't at all.
Motherfuckers avoiding me.
And here we go.
He gonna feel this. We got a couple families coming through. I just got started running up on them. Running up on them.
Okay, thank you.
You gotta find your prey in its natural habitat like a fucking gazelle.
Only at Target.
That's so funny.
NANI?
Wait a minute.
Y'all almost got me.
You too? Yeah. You ready to land, bro?
Nice day, bro.
That's red. Where you go?
Circle.
Sorry.
Video.
What's wrong with you, bro? What the heck? You tripping, bro? You tripping?
I feel bad for doing the kid said. Gotta start them young. The younger, the better to pray. Ain't gonna lie, y'all. We got some good reaction in there. We finna head to Walmart. What you think the best reaction was?
The girl.
The girl. If you see this, I'm not sorry. It was for content, but I fuck with you. It was for content. It was water, bro.
What?
So we had a malfunction. This motherfucker don't want to spray. Donde está? Back in business, isn't it? If I had to guess, he's probably a state. Oh yeah, I'm at Barry, and I play ball right now, so yeah, so you know, I be trying. So we went to Walmart. Only got 2 victims. We went to Old Navy, got no victims. Now we're at Home Depot. It's probably the last destination, and I gotta get the 12 victims or die.
What the fuck?
Two hours later.
What's going on, y'all? It's a couple hours later. I ain't gonna lie.
Fuck no, I don't trust y'all.
Can't get the copyright. So we was literally about to get another person in Home Depot because I had got 2 people. But my freaking camera died, bro. It died on me. So I wasn't able to get any more people and we just had to head out. But not gonna lie, today was fun. I was starting to get in the groove of doing this. So like, more bangers like this is coming soon for sure. I was just getting my feet wet. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. It's your boy VibeWitDeLo, and I'll catch y'all in the next video, man.